What's going on, y'all? Welcome back. Today we're kicking off part 2 of our Fujiwara Tofu journey. As you guys saw last time, we went up to Fujiwara Tofu Bistro up in Fremont. Now we're heading down to SoCal for the Fujiwara Tofu Cafe in Monte, California. So with that said, let's hit the road. All right, let's load up. All right, just like that, y'all, we're ready. Check out how much you can fit in a Boxster trunk, by the way. We have 2 duffel bags, camera equipment, a coat, everything you need for a weekend right there. Alright, y'all, we made it halfway. We're here at Lost Hills Pilot, and we're gonna get some gas and have a little potty break, so.
I'm sorry, where are we?
Lost Hills. We're lost in the hills at a pilot. We've been on the road for 2.5 hours, and let me show you guys something. Take a look. Okay, we've gone about 200 miles with about half a tank left in the Boxster. So it's not the worst car for long road trips. It's a great weekender, and yeah, we're just filling up just to fill up. All right, y'all, 6 gallons, that's it. What a fun little road trip car. Let's go. All right, and just like that, y'all, we're back on the road. Let's go down to SoCal. So we just ran over a tire on the grapevine. I'm gonna go check out the damage. I saw my lip completely explode. So let's go check it out. Okay, not bad. Oh, that's bad. Okay. Well, that's something. No, I'm gonna need a new front bumper. Oh, what? Oh, that's so rough. Okay. Dang. Alright, well, that's something. I'm so sad. Oh, no. Hey, there you go. Good as new. Yeah, this'll buff right out, right? Jeez. We're safe. Alright, I'm gonna pop that bumper back out when we get home. Let's see if we can save it. Pulling up to our first stop. The Panda Express Innovation Kitchen. I can't wait to park and check out how much damage I did. Alright, well, there it is, y'all. There it is. Oops. Maybe there's a way to keep this on for the drive back, but I'm gonna try my best to pop this out. It doesn't look like I did too much damage in here, but maybe I did, because that stuff looks pretty shattered. Look at that. Nice and beat up. Innovation Kitchen, let's go. Alright, y'all, we got some bings. We're ready. Look at that. We got some apple pie rolls. Got some drinks. They have refreshers here. Really excited to try these. Check out these apple pie rolls. Panda in a burrito. Alright guys, we just finished up our panda burritos and I am super full. Kind of made a mistake of getting 2 entrees in the burrito. Pro tip, probably just get 1. And I think the taste, like it won't throw the taste off if you just get 1 either. Yeah, oopsies. Alright guys, day 2 down here in SoCal and we're hitting up the Fujiwara Tofu Cafe over in El Monte, California. So right now, it's gonna take us about just under an hour to get there. So we're gonna hit the road. Alright guys, we're getting some barbecue really quick. Check this out, apparently this is some really good barbecue, like Texas style barbecue down here in SoCal. Got some brisket right here. Got some ribs, some sausage, garlic noodles with brisket, mac and cheese, some sauces. Oh, we're set. Top down, SoCal, this feels right. Okay, we're pulling up, guys. Fujiwara Tofu Cafe. Oh, that's so sick. Alright guys, we made it. Fujiwara Tofu Cafe. Okay. Definitely the dog menu. Okay, just kidding, that's actually for dogs. Fujiwara's own Red Suns. Speed Stars. Oh, this is awesome. Lonely Driver, huh? Okay, they got some tofu. Makes sense, makes sense. Alright, got the themed tables over here. Check this out. Oh, that's cool. Got the Speed Stars. Got a hot drink. The Night Fever, which is a hot chocolate soy milk. And we got Night Kids. We got some tofu, some spicy tofu. Let's try that. We couldn't come here and not get something tofu. Cheers, Jen. Try the tofu out. Smell check. Oh my god. Peace out to Fujiwara number 2. This is Fujiwara Tofu Cafe down here in SoCal. So we've checked out 2 of the Fujiwaras here. First in the Bay Area, the second down here in SoCal. Last step, we're gonna go make our way up to the Fujiwara Tofu Shop in Richmond, Canada, right outside of Vancouver. So, for now, we're just gonna go enjoy SoCal with a smashed front end. You know we couldn't leave SoCal without stopping by one more spot. We're down the street right now and we're gonna pull up in like 2 seconds. I think I see it. I think it has really big fences. Here it is, y'all. The Toretto house. Oh, that's so cool. It's the driveway. Oh, that's so nice. Okay. You know, it looks like the property is limited to only friends and family. Stupid. So this is how we're ending our SoCal trip, with a trip to Toretto's house for Fast and the Furious such an iconic set of movies, and they're gonna keep on making them until, you know, the world ends. One last thing. So Toretto's house is like literally right up this street right here. And check out what's right behind me. Ooh, Toretto's Market. That's so cool. Honestly, we found this by accident. We were just trying to get out of here and we were like, wait, that's Toretto's Market. So we had to stop by, get a picture of the Boxster outside, of course. All right guys, now it's a wrap. So thanks so much for tuning in. Hope you all enjoyed. And until next time, y'all, peace.